Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to give you essential shortcut keys that you need to know when you work on Canva. Okay, let's go to the video. Press R for rectangle. You can adjust size by dragging like this using handles in the side. Again, press R. You can generate many rectangles as you need. You can change color like this. Click on a rectangle, then you can see color box on top left side. Then select color you want. To delete objects on your design, click on the object, then press delete button. Press C for circle. It is also same as rectangle. You can resize and generate many as you want. Press T for adding text. Press L for creating a line. In addition to that, let's check out about line styles. Select the line, then you can see menu options on the top left side. First you can see color box. You can change the line color. Second, line styles. You can change the line appearance. Here you can change line weight. Also you can round endpoints of the line like this. Then you can change what shows at the start of the line or here at the end of the line. Also, you can add an animation to the line. Now let's see shortcuts for undo and redo. Press Ctrl plus Z to undo. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Z to redo. Now let's see how to move objects forward and backward. First select the object, then to backward press Ctrl plus open bracket. To forward press Ctrl plus close bracket. To select all objects on the design at once press Ctrl plus A. Then you can move all objects like this. To move few objects at once, select an object, then press Shift button and hold on and then select other objects. Now these both objects have selected and can move like this. And you can group these objects too. You can see group on the top right side. Click on that. Then these two have grouped. Click on ungroup and it will be ungrouped. To copy an object, select the object and press Ctrl plus C. Then to paste, press Ctrl plus V. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thumbs up and comment below. Please subscribe me for more tips and tricks.